Good morning, all of you. I am Amol Deshmukh, your math teacher. Exercise 3.2 from R.D. Sharma. Solve the following equations graphically. Question number 1: x plus y is equal to 3 and 2x plus 5y is equal to 12. Solve this equation means we have to find this equation. These lines are intersecting lines, or these lines are coincident lines, or they are parallel by using graphical method. So first equation, x plus y is equal to 3. So what we have to do, first from this equation, first find the value of y in terms of x. So x plus y is equal to 3, therefore y is equal to 3 minus x. Then put any value of x and find the value of y. So I am putting x is equal to 1 and finding the value of y. So we get y is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. Put 3 minus 1, 2. So first point is 1 comma 2. So again put x is equal to 2 here. So 3 minus 2, 1. So that is y is equal to 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. So second point 2 comma 1. Then put x is equal to 3. So we get y is equal to 3 minus 3, that is 0. So y is equal to 3 minus 3, that is 0. So third point 3 comma 0. So make the table of this equation. So here the table. So first point is 1 comma 2. Write down 1 2 1 comma 2. Second point 2 comma 1. So here 2 1 2 comma 1. And third point 3 comma 0. Here 3 0 3 comma 0. Same thing we have to do with the equation second. 2x plus 5y is equal to 12. So general form of straight line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, or y is equal to mx plus c. So the second equation is 2x plus 5y is equal to 12. So 5y is equal to 12 minus 2x. Therefore y is equal to 12 minus 2x divided by 5. Again, by putting the value, any value of x, and find the value of y, but put those value of x after simplification, we will get this number as an integer. Okay, suppose I am putting x is equal to 2. So 2 2s are 4. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 by 5, it is in the decimal form, it is not integer. So I am putting x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 here. Therefore y is equal to 12 minus 2 into 1 divided by 5, that is equal to 12. 2 into 1 2. 12 minus 2 by 5, that is 10 by 5, it is equal to 2. So the first point is 1 comma 2. So second value, put x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 here. So we get y is equal to 12 minus 2 into 6 divided by 5, that is y is equal to 12 minus 6 2s are 12 by 5. 12 minus 12, 0. 0 by 5, it is equal to 0. So the second point 6 comma 0. Put x is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 into 2, minus minus plus 8. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 by 5, it is 4. So it is integer. So we can put x is equal to minus 4. So we get y is equal to 12 minus 2 into minus 4 divided by 5, that is equal to 12 plus 8 by 5. 4 to the 8, minus minus get plus. So 12 plus 8 by 5, that is 20 by 5. equal to 4. So the third point is minus 4 comma 4. So make the table of this equation is first point is 1 comma 2. Here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So first point is 1 comma 2. Second 6 comma 0. Here x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. That is second point 6 comma 0. Right, and third point minus 4 comma 4, minus 4 comma 4. And then these points we have to plot on the graph paper. This is the graph book. So horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. On the right side, the point of intersection is origin. So on the right side of origin there are positive numbers, on the left side there are negative numbers, on the upper side there are positive numbers, on the lower side there are negative numbers, and scale 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit on both axes. Right. So first table is 1 comma 2. First point is 1 comma 2. So here 1, this point is 2. So the first point is 1 comma 2. Plot here 1 comma 2. Second point 2 comma 1. Here 2. Here 1. So second point is 2 comma 1. Third point is 3 comma 0. So y coordinate of this point is 0. So this point lies on x axis. So 3 comma 0 lies here. So draw a straight line passing through them. Here this is the line passing through these 3 points. So also plot the second equation is 2x plus 5y is equal to 12. So the table is here. First point is 1 comma 2. So here 1 comma 2 is already plot. Second point is 6 comma 0. So 6 comma 0 it lies on x axis because y coordinate is 0. And third point is minus 4 comma 4. So minus 4 comma 4 here. This is the third point. So first this point and this point. Draw a straight line passing through them. Here the line passing through these 3 points. These two lines intersect at point 1 comma 2. So the solution of this equation is 1 comma 2. In this manner we have to solve the exercise 3.2.